When the last chill of winter begins to fade, the earth stirs quietly. Soft rain falls across the fields, and from the damp soil emerge the first shoots of spring vegetables. Their green is brighter than any paint, their texture soft yet crisp, their flavour light, carrying the memory of rain and sunlight. In China, the arrival of these tender shoots has been cherished for centuries. Ancient texts from the Zhou and Han dynasties already spoke of the joy of tasting chun chai, spring greens gathered fresh after the first rains. For farmers, they were a gift of renewal, proof that the earth was alive again. For poets and scholars, they were symbols of youth, purity, and the fleeting beauty of the season. Some of the most beloved shoots include bamboo shoots, bursting from the soil with a flavour both crisp and delicate. Shepherd's purse, a wild green often cooked into dumplings for spring festivals. And pea shoots, curling tendrils that bring freshness to soups and stir-fries. In the quiet corners of the countryside, nature offers her own treasures. Wild vegetables, tender and fresh, picked straight from the mountain slopes, paired with slices of beef simmering gently in a clay pot. This is the wild vegetable beef hot pot. Simple, yet too delicious to resist. For generations, people in rural China have foraged for wild vegetables. In ancient times, they were more than food. They were medicine, believed to bring balance to the body, to cool in summer and warm in winter. Each leaf and stem carries the taste of the mountains, untamed and pure. When the rich flavour of beef mingles with the freshness of the wild greens, the broth becomes a memory of family meals shared around the fire, of laughter echoing through wooden houses, of a way of life where food and nature are one.